What's up, guys? It's your girl here. How you living? How you living? I am here to share with you a journal that I have created. Now, I created, excuse me, these signatures here a while back, and when I went on my break, I said, well, I need to finish up this journal. I need to put it together and what have you. So that's what I did. Now, the digitals that I used in this journal are not in my Etsy shop. They're just some I created for myself. But if you would like to see them in my shop, comment down below. Down in that comment section. Comment down there. Let me know. And I will see what I can do by getting them on my Etsy shop. I believe I saved the file. Nonetheless, I will make something work here for y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this. Now you got a journal, and I have an ephemera pack, embellishment pack. I call it a happy pack. That's what we're going to call it. Happy pack. It goes with this journal. And so let me show you here. This is the journal. It is 5.5 by 8.5. There are 4 signatures, 192 pages front and back in this journal. It is a soft cover as well. Now the front of it's not embellished. I didn't do any embellishing in this journal. That's where the happy pack comes in. We'll get to that in just a moment or two as soon as we go through this journal. Now I have got this beautiful pink floral fabric on the top, on the cover. I have some lace going down the side here. It is sewn. Some blue and white fabric here on the spine, and this beautiful doily. Very, very, very pretty. I really like this. It is a little different than what I normally make, but hey, I love this journal. It's one of my favorites. I left all the threads on to where I did the sewing in here. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you what's up, what's going on in this journal. Now, the front cover, as I said, is blank. There are no embellishing in this journal. All it is just the papers and the sewing and all that fun stuff. So here is the first signature. That is the first page. There is tea-stained paper I've gotten here. I have some vintage papers. I'll let you know what those are when we get to them. Here we are. We're to it. Here, this is from a company that we had here in town, Mead. Before it was Mead, it was West Tab. And if you guys know anything about Meads or their products, they did the what's it called? The Big Chief tablets and pencils and all of that. Well, before it was Mead, it was West Tab. So this is one of the papers that come from them when they was trying to come up with what do you call it? This here. When they was trying to come up with labels and all that fun stuff for stationery and such. So this is where this come from. I have an envelope in here. Now this here you could glue down and use as a tuck, or a tuck there as well. I left it the way it is. You can also leave it and just do some journaling on this side. Another tea-stained paper. This was gifted to me. Beautiful purple florals. I am a purple girl. You all know that. So I had to throw some purple in here. So this is one of the digitals. All of these are the digitals I created for myself. This is part of it too. Here's some green ledger paper. Some wallpaper. I did not cover up any of it. You could easily glue this down again and use it as a pocket. Or you can put some paper on this side. And some tea-stained paperware for extra journaling. You could cover just this part here and journal here. Absolutely up to you and what you want to do. There's another one of those digitals there. Here is the West Tab and Stationery Company. One of their papers that they were a sample of what they wanted to do. So that is in there. That is an original as well. All of these are the original. Here is an old book page from a magazine that I put in here as well. You could gesso over this and use it for writing. You can put some tea stained paper or whatever you want to do on here, and add some journal spots to write, do some collaging. Absolutely endless of what you can do with that. More of that digital. I love this little collage bit here. This was an enjoyable journal to make here. I really enjoyed it. Here is that envelope. Now, if you wanted, you could just open this up and use this whole inside for journaling, or you can just leave it closed. I'm not sure. I mean, I would open it myself, but that's just me. Everybody's different. More of that paper, tea-stained paper. And that's the first signature. The second one, again, starts off with this beautiful digital paper. Absolutely love these different florals. It has kind of an eclectic feel. Another envelope that I absolutely love. I love the blues here. This is a lightly dyed pink paper. I'm not sure if I did that or how that happened, but a lot of beautiful wallpaper. This is textured. It feels so nice. I thought it would go perfect in here. More green ledger. This is like a tracing paper. It's very nice. Feels so good. I don't know where that come from. Again, it was just in my stash. Another one of the digitals. Again, like I said, there's the digitals that I made is an eclectic set, but I really enjoy them. So if you enjoy the eclectic feel of a journal, you may like this digital set. So it's basically all the same kind of papers. That was ripped and I left it. I didn't want to change it. But again, guys, I really loved how this turned out. I love all the different patterns and colors throughout this journal. I see a lot of amazing things happening with it. You know, for whoever gets it, that is. More of that purple. I did not mean for both purple signatures to start out next to each other. It just kind of happened that way, and I ain't mad at it. So here is a little piece of wallpaper. You can glue that down. Use that as a tuck from the bottom side. Music paper. Here's more of that old stationery. Love this. I wished I could die like that. I might try that maybe this weekend. Beautiful shabbiness going on here. Put a pocket in there or something. Do some journaling in between these leaves here would be pretty cool, I think. Some yellow going on there. Love this wallpaper. The other side of that. And this is the last signature. Beautiful. Love that wallpaper there. It's kind of got a metallic look going on there. Some of the green ledger. There's another one of the digitals. Now this paper was ripped. I left it. I was not going to change it. I think it looks amazing the way it is. More of that tracing paper. Was that the last signature? I don't think so. Yeah, it was. Lemons here. The beautiful florals. Some more of that pink paper. The envelope. And then the back. Lots of goodness going on with this journal. Now, I did say this comes with a happy pack. And the happy pack is this here. Now, I don't want to open this. It took forever to get it the way that it is. But you have some pockets here. And these pockets have fabric and such. You can just clip it in your journal. You can glue it down, whatever you want to do. There's some vintage papers on the back. Some tags. Here's some bead dangles. And you have a lot of lace that I used for this. The material and stuff is in here. Some little patches. Some beautiful laces. And this embroidered piece that I handmade as well, just as decoration. You can use it for the journal, or you can save it for something else. There is wallpaper in here as well that you can use for embellishments in this journal. Some recipes there, some vintage recipes. So this is what you will be getting if you are interested in this before I list it in my Etsy, which I should be listing it tomorrow. Send me, leave a comment down below, hit me up on Facebook, or if you have me on Etsy or know my Etsy, which I should have it linked below, send me a message over there, and I'll get this out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.